And we're back with North of the Broad with TMervosh. He is with Resort Development Partners, and he is the general manager now of the Cat Island Club. And we were just having a nice chat about Cat Island and where it's located. And I have not been there, but it sounds beautiful.
It's a beautiful sea island out past Secession.
Yes.
Real close to Ladies Island.
Right.
And it's just a great little spot with about 400 homes.
Okay.
And a great golf course, going to soon to be restored to a greater golf course.
Right, so let's talk about the renovation. So what are the steps in this restoration project of the pool? Well, you've got a pool that's currently open, but let's talk specifically about the golf course.
Golf course has been closed for a couple of years.
Okay.
And we've got a team coming in to work on our irrigation system. We've got a team that will come in and they'll redo the bunkers. We're going to be fumigating greens, working off the fairways, bringing that all that back together. We'll resprig, and soon we'll have a golf course back, and it'll be in the condition where we're all proud of.
And you're thinking 2023, probably?
I think we can, if everything goes according to plan, and that means equipment and staffing and weather.
Right.
Could be 2022. In the fall of 2022, we can have
This
the golf
year?
course open for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are you the residents kind of chomping at the bit?
Residents are very excited. Residents are very excited. Like I said, the golf course has been closed for a couple of years.
Yeah.
So reopening the golf course, restoring it to its original condition, original design. We've hired John LaFoy, who's our golf course architect. Okay. He was the original designer with George Cobb. So bringing him back to the process right now is very exciting for us.
Tell us a little bit about Resort Development Partners. So it's a large organization, and you have different...
RDP, we own 6 golf courses around the country, and Cat Island being the 7th. We own those properties, and they're all private clubs.
Yes.
And they're scattered. We've got one in Indianapolis, one in Virginia, one in York, Pennsylvania, one in Charlotte, and it's a growing organization from very talented, very experienced gentlemen. I'm just thrilled to be a part of their group.
That sounds fantastic. Now let's get back over to the Cat Island Club and the pool. The pool has remained open.
The pool is open. We're hiring staff at the pool right now.
Okay.
We'll have a bar and a restaurant at the pool, Cabana Pool.
Okay.
It's a great pool. So it's 4 pools in one. It has a large lagoon-style pool, has a kiddie pool, and an adult pool, and then a jacuzzi.
Right. So is the restaurant piece still not open yet, or you're in the process of developing
We're
that?
just finalizing the permitting and things like that, and bringing the equipment in.
Right.
But we're getting staff in now. We're hiring bartenders and cooks and wait staff. So we're excited about that.
But it is private, and so you have to have a membership.
Correct.
And are there memberships available?
As a matter of fact, yes,
There are.
memberships are available. We're taking memberships for social memberships.
Okay.
And that includes everything but golf, and then the golf membership includes everything.
Right. And so your vision for 2023 and 2024, your general manager, it sounds like a beautiful property.
It is beautiful.
Do you have any other plans for the future?
Well, we're going to renovate the clubhouse in 2023, first quarter of 2023.
Okay.
So then we'll be a full-service private club.
Right.
We're going to grow that membership, and we're going to make an impact on the people in Beaufort and Ladies Island and Cat Island.
Now, have you been in this kind of work for your entire career?
I have. Yeah, I've been a golf professional all of my career, and I've built a couple other golf courses. So this is just falls in line with that.
You're really excited about this project.
Very excited. Very excited.
Well, it's good to have you with us. And
thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And thank you all for watching. And we'll be right back with our next guest. Stay with us, everyone.